Are you a bike lover? Then this video is just for you. Today, we're counting down the top 11 motorbikes in 2025 that are ruling the roads with their power, performance, and killer looks. Whether you're into sport bikes, cruisers, or adventure rides. 1. Yamaha R1. The Yamaha YZF R1 is a true icon in the superbike segment. Inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP technology, the R1 features a 998cc inline-4 engine that delivers exhilarating performance on both road and track. With its crossplane crankshaft, it offers a unique power delivery and an aggressive exhaust note. The bike includes cutting-edge electronics like slide control, wheelie control, and quick shifter systems to enhance rider confidence. Its lightweight aluminum frame and aerodynamic design ensure stability at high speeds. Riders love its razor-sharp handling and track-focused ergonomics. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a sport bike enthusiast, the Yamaha R1 delivers an adrenaline-packed ride that few bikes can match. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of Yamaha's racing legacy. The R1 stands out with aggressive styling, brilliant LED lights, and excellent braking performance. If you're after superbike thrills with track pedigree, the R1 is a top contender. 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a revolutionary machine that redefines speed and power. Equipped with a 998cc supercharged engine, the H2 delivers an unmatched performance experience. It's one of the few production motorcycles to feature a supercharger, pushing out immense horsepower and torque. The aggressive styling, mirror-finish bodywork, and sharp lines give it a futuristic look. It includes advanced electronics like traction control, launch control, and a quick shifter. Built for those who crave extreme performance, the H2 combines cutting-edge technology with aerodynamic engineering. The trellis frame offers excellent rigidity, and the high-performance suspension ensures stability at high speeds. It's not just about brute power, the H2 handles like a dream on twisty roads and open highways alike. Whether you're on the track or showing off in the city, the Ninja H2 is a statement of engineering excellence and raw power that few can match. 3. Ducati Panigale V4. The Ducati Panigale V4 is a masterpiece of Italian engineering, blending performance with beauty. Powered by a 1103cc V4 Desmosedici Stradale engine, it delivers blistering acceleration and top-end speed. Designed with inspiration from Ducati's MotoGP machines, it features a lightweight chassis, aerodynamic winglets, and a sleek, aggressive design. The bike includes advanced electronics like cornering ABS, traction control, slide control, and wheelie control, ensuring maximum safety without compromising performance. The Panigale V4's TFT display, premium suspension, and Brembo brakes provide top-tier performance on road and track. It's loved by racers and enthusiasts alike for its razor-sharp handling and breathtaking design. Riding the Panigale V4 is an emotional experience. Every twist of the throttle brings the sound and fury of racing heritage. It's not just a superbike, it's a symbol of Ducati's commitment to excellence. For those who seek passion, precision, and speed, the Panigale V4 stands tall. 4. BMW S1000RR. The BMW S1000RR is a high-performance superbike known for its precision engineering and cutting-edge technology. With a 999cc inline-4 engine producing incredible power, it accelerates like a missile while maintaining impressive control and stability. The asymmetrical headlights and sharp lines give it a distinctive look. What sets the S1000RR apart is its sophisticated electronics package, dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, wheelie control, and customizable riding modes, all accessible through a bright TFT display. The shift cam technology optimizes power delivery, whether you're cruising or racing. Its lightweight frame, aerodynamic bodywork, and race-ready suspension make it a favorite among track day riders and serious enthusiasts. Whether you're carving corners or launching down the straightaway, the S1000RR delivers a thrilling, confidence-inspiring ride. It represents the pinnacle of German engineering in the sportbike segment. This motorcycle isn't just fast, it's intelligent, refined, and ready to dominate. The S1000RR is a true superbike legend. 5. Suzuki Hayabusa. The Suzuki Hayabusa is a legend in the world of high-speed motorcycles. Introduced in 1999, it quickly became the fastest production motorcycle, earning its place in history. Powered by a 1340cc inline-4 engine, the Hayabusa offers exceptional power, smooth acceleration, and a top speed that few bikes can rival. Despite its speed-focused nature, it's surprisingly comfortable for long-distance rides, making it a true sport touring machine. The latest generation features updated electronics, including cruise control, traction control, and riding modes, along with a sleek and aerodynamic design. The Hayabusa's unique silhouette and aggressive styling make it instantly recognizable. It's more than just a fast bike, it's a symbol of performance and endurance. Riders love its versatility, reliability, and road presence. Whether you're racing down a highway or cruising on open roads, the Hayabusa delivers an unmatched blend of power and comfort. It's a timeless icon of speed and engineering excellence. 6. KTM RC390. The KTM RC390 is a lightweight, performance-focused sport bike that's perfect for both beginners and experienced riders seeking agility and excitement. Powered by a 373cc single-cylinder engine, the RC390 delivers punchy acceleration and an exhilarating riding experience. Its aggressive styling, sharp bodywork, and LED lighting give it a race-ready look that turns heads. Designed for the track, it features a trellis frame, WP suspension, and a race-style seating position that encourages spirited riding. The lightweight construction means it handles corners like a dream, with precise steering and responsive braking. It also comes with modern features like a TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, and Supermoto ABS, making it technologically advanced for its class. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through twisty backroads, the KTM RC390 offers thrills in a compact package. It's an excellent entry point into sport bike culture, blending affordability, performance, and track-inspired DNA. 7. Honda CBR650R. The Honda CBR650R is a middleweight sport bike that strikes the perfect balance between everyday usability and sporty performance. Powered by a smooth 649cc inline-4 engine, the CBR650R delivers refined power that's ideal for city commutes, highway rides, and spirited weekend runs. Its full-fairing design and aggressive styling are inspired by Honda's larger supersport models, giving it a premium and sharp appearance. The bike features modern electronics such as Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) and an LCD digital display. With a comfortable riding posture and smooth suspension, it offers both performance and long-distance comfort. The CBR650R's reliable nature and predictable handling make it a top choice for riders who want a do-it-all sport bike. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or just want a versatile machine, the CBR650R is a superb blend of style, performance, and Honda reliability. It's sporty, stylish, and perfect for real-world riding. 8. Triumph Street Triple RS. The Triumph Street Triple RS is one of the most refined and thrilling naked sport bikes on the market. At its core is a high-revving 765cc triple-cylinder engine, derived from Moto2 racing technology, producing exhilarating power and a distinct, raspy exhaust note. Lightweight and agile, it handles city streets and winding roads with confidence. The RS variant is equipped with premium Öhlins suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and an advanced electronics suite including ride modes, cornering ABS, and traction control. The TFT color display adds a modern touch and full control over rider preferences. With its sharp, muscular design and exposed frame, the Street Triple RS combines performance and style. It's ideal for riders who crave the agility of a street fighter with race bike DNA. Whether you're commuting or tearing through backroads, the Street Triple RS offers precision, power, and a pure connection to the road like few others. 9. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a modern classic that blends retro charm with reliable performance. Powered by a 648cc parallel twin engine, it delivers smooth and accessible power, making it an excellent choice for new and experienced riders alike. The Interceptor's design is inspired by 1960s British roadsters, featuring a teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, and dual exhaust pipes for a timeless look. Despite its vintage styling, it includes modern enhancements like fuel injection, a slipper clutch, and dual-channel ABS for safety. The upright seating position and comfortable ergonomics make it perfect for long rides, weekend cruising, or city commuting. It's a motorcycle that doesn't try to overwhelm with speed, it focuses on delivering a joyful and easygoing ride. The Interceptor 650 is proof that simple, classic bikes still have a place in today's world. It's stylish, dependable, and perfect for those who appreciate timeless motorcycling. 10. Harley-Davidson Iron 883. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 is a true cruiser that embodies the spirit of old-school motorcycling. With its raw attitude and minimalist design, the Iron 883 stands out as one of the most recognizable bikes in Harley's lineup. It's powered by an 883cc air-cooled V-twin engine that delivers a satisfying low-end torque, ideal for laid-back cruising and city rides. The dark, blacked-out look, low-slung profile, and peanut-shaped tank give it a rugged and aggressive presence. While it's not built for speed, the Iron 883 is all about enjoying the ride with style and swagger. The solo seat, forward controls, and low stance make it a great choice for riders who appreciate cruiser aesthetics. It's also a popular option for customization, allowing owners to make it uniquely theirs. If you're into vintage vibes, iconic American design, and smooth cruising, the Iron 883 delivers on all fronts. 11. Aprilia RSV4 Factory. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a race-bred superbike that showcases Italian engineering at its finest. Powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, it delivers breathtaking acceleration, precise throttle response, and an intoxicating exhaust note. Designed for maximum performance on the track, the RSV4 Factory features an aluminum twin-spar frame, aerodynamic winglets, and premium components like Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension and Brembo-style brakes. The electronics suite is among the most advanced in its class, offering cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, and multiple riding modes, all managed through a bright TFT display. The bike's sleek, aggressive bodywork and sculpted tail section give it a distinctly athletic look. Built for riders who demand ultimate control and speed, the RSV4 Factory is a purebred racing machine for the street. It's a motorcycle that turns every ride into a high-performance experience, bold, fast, and undeniably thrilling.